Okay, so this is the last part of the example. Show that cos 2 pi over 5 minus cos pi over 5 equals minus half. So from the part A, we know the sum of the roots equals 0. We proved that. And then also from part B, we proved that these row to power 4 and row is a conjugate together, and this is conjugate together. So I just put that in there and move the plus 1 to minus 1 here, because we want to prove that the right hand side is going to be negative something. So we're preparing for that. Okay, so and then also from part B, we know that that is equal to this and that equals this. So we do that, and then I'll just take the 2 as a common factor, and then if I divide it by 2, I will get minus half here as what I expected. Okay, now only problem here with what we want to prove up here is this part is not the same. This is okay, but this is the part is not the same. So we need to work on that. So let's have a look. And I'm going to work on this. Now, cos 4 pi over 5 is in the second quadrant. Why? Because half of 5 is 2.5. And then that's a lot more than 2.5. So it's more than half. So it's in the second quadrant. With the cosine in the second quadrant, it's a negative. Okay, negative. So I'm just going to do, with this, remember the first quadrant is a theta, second one is a pi minus theta. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use, the formula here, minus cos pi minus what will make 4 pi over 5? It'll be pi over 5. And then it will be minus cos pi over 5. Now this is what we've been using. So if you think about it, using cos pi over theta, maybe pi here minus, because it's second quadrant. In second quadrant, pi is negative. So that's what we used. And then I just substitute that into here. We will get what we wanted. That equals minus half as required.